Bauxite deposits often lie just beneath the surface soil in tropical mining regions.
Washing systems remove clay and dust before refining begins. After washing, the bauxite ore enters the grinding preparation plant.
Grinding mills break the ore into smaller particles before refining.
Water is added to convert the ground ore into a pumpable slurry. Pipelines carry the slurry into the refinery digestion system. In the alumina refinery, bauxite slurry enters the Bayer digestion system. Hot caustic soda solution dissolves aluminum minerals from the bauxite. Flash tanks reduce pressure before separating the dissolved aluminum solution. The remaining residue, called red mud, is separated from the aluminum solution.
After digestion, the aluminum now exists inside a chemical solution called sodium aluminate.
Red mud is the insoluble residue removed from the refining process.
Before precipitation begins, the chemical solution must be cooled.
The precipitation stage converts dissolved aluminum compounds into solid aluminum hydroxide crystals. Seed crystals allow aluminum hydroxide particles to grow out of the solution.
The solid aluminum hydroxide crystals settle to the bottom of the thickener. The calcination stage removes water from aluminum hydroxide crystals to produce alumina.
Heating converts aluminum hydroxide into pure alumina powder.
The newly produced alumina powder must be cooled before storage.
The finished alumina powder is now transported to the aluminum smelting plant.
Pneumatic pipelines carry alumina powder directly into the smelting plant.
Alumina powder becomes the main feed material for aluminum smelting.
Inside the smelting hall, alumina powder is converted into pure aluminum using electrolysis. Electric current separates aluminum metal from oxygen inside the molten electrolyte.
Molten aluminum metal is extracted from the reduction cells. Molten aluminum from the smelting cells is transferred to the casting section.
Before solidifying, the molten aluminum passes through filtration to remove impurities.
Cooling systems solidify the aluminum into large metal ingots.
Fresh aluminum ingots must cool completely before inspection.
Each ingot is inspected to ensure the aluminum meets industrial quality standards. Finished ingots are stacked for shipment to metal processing industries.
After inspection, the aluminum ingots move into the storage and shipment warehouse.
Each pallet is labeled and tracked before shipment.
The finished aluminum ingots now begin their journey to metal manufacturing plants.
Rail freight systems move aluminum ingots across long distances.
Aluminum ingots are the starting material for thousands of metal products used worldwide.
Many industries remelt aluminum ingots to create new aluminum products.
Aluminum is shaped into sheets, bars, and profiles for countless applications.
From raw bauxite ore to finished metal products, aluminum powers modern industry worldwide.